Hey, what's up, everybody? I keep hearing this term over and over again, and it's a totally dead term, so stop using it. Mobile first. And now you might hear people say mobile always. It's a crock of shit, okay? Let me give you something. When you are making, is your website mobile friendly, first of all? Is your app and your website, do they look anything alike, or are they completely opposite? You know, I'm working on a client right now, and their website, we got 3 sets of designs. We got designs for the web, we got designs for Android, and we got designs for iOS. Why? Well, because we're programming the web in HTML and CSS, we're programming Android and Java, and we're programming iOS in Swift. Yeah, it's Swift. So anyways, here's my thing. Why not just choose a hybrid framework? It works every time. You, over here, when I just explained it to you, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's what you're making your website with. Why don't you make your app with that? It's a fair question. I mean, if you have an app that really needs to use something on the iPhone or a Samsung or something like that, like an accelerometer or something like that, okay, I get you. You're making Uber and you want to make sure you know where the little car is the whole time. I get you. But if you don't, I mean, look at, open your phone right now and look at all the apps you have. Give you a minute. I mean, 80% of them are just websites, right? Yelp. Facebook even is just basically a website that scrolls. I mean, look at them all. They're just websites. And yet you'll have developers and architects and people all over the world say, well, you got to have a website, you got to have an Android, and you have to have an iOS, and it's got to be all different. It's a lie. It's one of the biggest lies on the planet right now. Do you remember when people used to pay, I don't know, $100,000 for a website? Maybe more. They used to pay a lot more than that. Dude, people won't pay $500 for a website anymore. That's a dead deal. So the same thing is happening with apps. All app development prices are dropping. There's better technologies out there. There's faster ways to do things. There's just better ways. So what I'm telling you is if you're going to say mobile first, I want your website and all your apps to look exactly the same. All of them. They can't look one bit different. So when you go to your designer sends you back one set of designs. Here's what it looks like at 1200. Here's what it looks like on a iPad at portrait, iPad at landscape, iPhone, and anything below that. That's it. That's it. And then when they program the app, they make it look just like the drawing did for the web. And so it's a full experience. I mean, there's some great websites out there that are like that. Our website, Flipshop, is like that. You scale that puppy down. It's got the little hamburger menu. Even when you look at that web page, totally open, it's got the hamburger menu. Menu slides out. Because users are expecting that these days. Uber's doing that. There's a lot of websites doing that. So if you have a bar with drop-down menus, you're tired. Give me a call. Let me help you out. Anyways, that's my take on it. Hybrid, always better than native. Unless, of course, you're building a game like Angry Birds. If you're not, it's always a hybrid approach. Have a great day.